If you have a supplement brand and you're using Facebook and Meta ads to get your customers, I got these 3 tips for you to increase your ROI and reduce your churn rate. So let's jump right into it. So the very first tip is to optimize your landing page. And what I mean by optimizing is just because people are clicking on the website and visiting a landing page, it doesn't necessarily mean they are going to make a purchase. So in my opinion, from my experience, a good landing page will have these 3 things in order to get it from a good to an exceptional landing page. So the top of your landing page is going to be customized for the emotional side. This is where you're going to be showing them about the benefits of your product. The middle of the landing page, this is going to be customized for the logical side. And this is where you're going to be showing them about the features of your product. And the bottom of the landing page, this is going to be customized for the socials. And this is where you're going to be showcasing your customers, your testimonials, and your good customer reviews. Secondly, you can also leverage a tool called as the Crazy Eggs. It is going to show you which part of your landing page people are clicking and which section of your landing page people are getting confused about. So you can make changes and iterations to make the best return on investment and make the best out of it. And the second tip for you is to optimize your ads. And you're probably asking me, how do I do that? So there's a free tool called as the adsgraders.com where you can just plug in your URL and it's going to show you everything that is wrong with your ads, where you're wasting your money, and it'll show you a step-by-step process of how you can fix your ads, and that way you can generate more ROI. So the third and the final tip I have for you is to try an emotional pitch as well as a logical pitch. So the way our mammalian brain works is either you're going to be appealing to someone's logical side or you're going to be appealing to someone's emotional side. So if you are having a landing page that is solely focusing upon the data and metrics and stats, that's a logical stats. You're appealing to the logical stats. And if you're trying to sell people solely based on the logical side, if you're not doing a good job, try switching it up to an emotional side or try an integration of both into copies and see if that is going to help you boost your sales. So on the note, I'm going to end this video by saying one thing. It's not about what you know, it's about what you do with what you know. Have a great day.